Ngwatanio ya Azimio niende kutula muti Silikali ya Kenya kwanza kumana na kwambata kwa ngalama ya mikalile kwa kila meuweta kana Enenthi aingi nimaendeeya na kuvinyiwa. Azimio yikonania kwambata kwa kuiva Koti kwingi tacho kitumi kinene cha Enenthi kunyama Azimio yasya muungamo wayo kukonia Koti wa kilungu cha 16 yiulu yana kwa mauta ni Koti ute museo na nicho kitumi Enenthi aingi maendeeya kwithiwa maivinyika kani matula muti Silikali ingi kwa kwambatia Koti wa sindo ila itumika mundani livoti yake Angelina Mose.
Ino wa kikalo kila ngwatanio ya Azimio yatwaisya kwi muthenyani wa umuthi kauntini ya Ilovi ni awetekana mwanenthi kuvikia yuyu no wende na kuvinyika muno ni mukuo munene wa kuongelwa kwa Koti undu ula vandite vanene ngalama ya mikalile vala makuwetekana Silikali ya Kenya kwanza ni valukite vanene kwa kulia kwithiwa na teikwi Enenthi.
The summit maintains that the view that the tax burden being borne by Kenyans is unreasonable and unsustainable. The Kenya Kwanza regime is failing the test of being caring and compassionate. Paying taxes should never be a punishment, but a patriotic duty. Under the KK regime, taxation is a punishment that is hurting the entire economy. We remain opposed to the 16% tax on petroleum products. We remain opposed to the housing tax and its colonial undertones that make it look like the infamous hard tax of the colonial era.
Ndino alivoti ile yasomwa ni Jeremiah Kioni ngwatanio hii ni kuwetekana ni kuendeeya kuvuthisya Silikali ya Kenya kwanza ethiwa ni kuendeeya na kumuvinyia mwenenthi maundu nimeokonio kuongelwa kwi uivi wa Koti.
We are deeply opposed to the high pay rates that Kenyan workers are being forced to endure. We remain opposed to the subjection of the retiree pensions to taxation. We also remain opposed deeply to the idea of subjecting farm produce to taxation. It is our position that forcing farmers to part with 5 shillings for every 100 shillings they make from their farm produce is unreasonable and cruel. We encourage our farmers to resist this tax with all their might.
Maundu nimeokonya kumwa kwa livoti ya muthia na ila yalite uvitukithwa ni mbungesie ile ya unenenya ula watwaisyo ni ndongo isi ya Kenya kwanza na ngaliko iya ule ya Azimio yungwatanio ii nionanya kulea kwaniwa kuoni mauvo ala ikuwetekana ni ithitwa yikwata kuma kwi ndongo isi ya Kenya kwanza kwenda kusenzia maundu amwe na ala mavitukithisyo ni nzama isu ya National Dialogue Committee.
We have also been informed of forces within KK in and outside of Parliament who are determined to undermine the report and the bills. We notify those forces that should any efforts to undermine or tamper with the report succeed, there will be very heavy price to pay. In this regard, we call on Honorable William Ruto to rein on the speakers of the 2 houses of Parliament and a number of members of the National Executive who are hell-bent on derailing the NADCO report and the bills.
Ngwatanio hii Azimio ni yawetekana no muvaka mbunge isi ile na ila ni ya Senate na mbunge nene kukala atawala nyo na kuikithia kana mitalatala ile ya nena nisyo ni ya vitu ukithwa undu vailite ngilivotea vilingi wa mauvoni tawa Angelina Mose.